Nakawa Market in Nakawa Division was always flooded with vendors and buyers trading and purchasing in different items for sale and for home consumption.
The markets should only be now for selling foodstuffs, only food. And what do we mean by food? Matoke, sweet potatoes, cassava, rice, beans, cowpeas, groundnuts, beef, chicken, fruits, vegetables, etc. Food, emere.
The main street of Nakawa Market, that is usually bustling with taxis and second-hand clothes vendors, was this Friday unusually decongested, and one could stroll through arms down. It is a clear indicator that people have been sensitized not only to wash their hands, but also understanding why it is dangerous to have a congested market during this period of rising numbers of new COVID-19 infections.
See that thing? All of it was full of what? Clothes and the bags. But now it has left the what? The space. Someone can go and do what? Maybe sit there. That's the problem.
Some of the vendors expressed gratitude to the presidential directive, which they say has helped them to overcome panic, although it has cut down the number of their customers. However, some vendors are pleading with government to devise means on transportation so that they are able to access markets in time before it is too late for them to sell, since they are focused on waking up during wee hours of the night.
I knew that the government was going to block up the buses from moving, suspend them. So right now, I'm having a family members, like even 10 of them, but I can afford their transport to go to the village, but not to feed them in Kampala. This point come up like this. I would like our request to reach up by giving us at least 2 days for some people who cannot maintain themselves to town to move where they can maintain themselves. Because in town service is very difficult for some families.
Only one point. It is the high time for those guys whom we sent there. Let it be ministers, MPs, those who are having the big salary, to cut at least 10%. Ugandans, we know we are poor, but they can cut 20%, 10%, or your mugagenya salary 30% to the people who have been blocked their work. You understand? If it is that one, if they stop the mobile money, they will give people, I think they will first give the people the what? Like 1 day or 2 days to first remove the money on their phones to their pockets.
According to the current statistics conducted by Ministry of Health, Uganda has 18 COVID-19 patients, with more numbers expected to rise if communities do not take drastic measures to manage the global pandemic. For UBC, Helen Barbara and Farida Nafka.